I thought I was doing everything right. Wake up at 4 a.m. Sit in silence. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. But something happened one morning. Something no book or guru ever prepared me for. My body was still, but inside, it felt like a storm had awakened. My heart raced. My breath lost control. And suddenly, I felt like I was falling into darkness. That's when I realized there's a side to Kriya Yoga no one talks about. For weeks, I had been practicing Kriya with deep discipline. No distractions, no expectations. Just me, the silence, and the breath. I read the sacred texts, watched videos, even followed step-by-step techniques from ancient manuals. But here's the truth. I was chasing experiences, bliss, energy, visions, and slowly, my practice became more about the result and less about surrender. I started to force the breath. I held it longer than I should. I pushed my focus too hard up the spine, hoping for an awakening. What happened next was not enlightenment. That morning, I sat down like always, spine straight, chin tucked. I inhaled, slowly raised the energy. But halfway through the cycle, my breath collapsed. My heart pounded. My body froze. I couldn't move. My vision blurred. It felt like a wall of energy slammed into my chest. And then I heard this sound, not from outside, but from deep inside my head, a roaring like wind rushing through a cave. And then silence. I opened my eyes. Everything looked different. The light, the shadows, even the air felt heavier. I thought, did I just break something inside me? I didn't touch Kriya for 3 days after that. I was afraid. Afraid I had gone too far. Afraid I had unlocked something I wasn't ready for. But deep down, a voice whispered, "This is not the end. This is the beginning." So I sat again. This time, I didn't force anything. I simply breathed. I surrendered. No expectations. No pushing. No chasing. And slowly, the energy returned, but with gentleness. That roaring sound, it came back. But this time, it wasn't scary. It felt like a blessing. I realized Kriya Yoga isn't about controlling the divine. It's about becoming still enough for the divine to move through you. That day, I finally understood. Kriya is not a shortcut to power. It's a sacred path to surrender. You can't rush awakening. You can't bend divine energy to your will. The moment you try to control it, you lose the essence. True Kriya begins when you stop doing and start allowing. Now every time I sit for practice, I remember this. The breath is not mine. The energy is not mine. The silence is my teacher. If you've ever had strange experiences in meditation, moments where things didn't go as expected, you are not alone. Sometimes it's in the discomfort where the deepest shifts begin. So, have you ever had a Kriya or meditation experience that shook you? Share it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're ready to walk deeper into the real essence of Kriya, wait till you see what I share in the next video.